Welcome to the 5th episode of the FloodWise Fundamentals video series. In this video, we'll walk you through a demonstration of the features and functionality of the chart widget. You'll find the chart widget located at the top right corner of the dashboard when viewing on a desktop, and at the bottom of the layout when viewing the dashboard on a mobile device. Once you select a flood risk point within the map, the chart widget will automatically populate forecast data for the specified selection and location. The chart displays data in a time versus stage format. Time is shown along the x-axis, and stage, representing water level, is shown on the y-axis. A vertical gray line marks the current time and date. Data to the left of the line reflects past water levels, while data to the right represents forecasts. You'll also see two important markers: a yellow dashed line for the warning stage, indicating shallow flooding, and a red dashed line for the alert stage, indicating deeper, more significant flooding. Solid, different colored lines represent the various forecast datasets. These forecast dates, as well as the warning and alert stages, are clearly labeled in the chart legend found to the right. Here's how the data is structured. The first dataset, represented by a dark blue line labeled RT for real time, is not a true forecast. Instead, this dataset displays actual water level measurements and flooding that have already occurred for a given flood risk point. The next three lines are forecasts, each labeled by the date it was generated. In this example, the red line is the most recent forecast. The purple line shows the forecast generated 1 day prior, and the light blue line reflects the forecast from 2 days prior. Datasets can also be revealed or hidden on the chart by simply clicking the legend label once. This provides a quick and easy way to isolate the most relevant information based on your needs. Hovering over any point on the chart will reveal a tooltip. This tooltip contains the date and time of the given point, as well as the stage. If multiple forecasts align closely with similar stages at the same timestamp, the tooltip will list them together. In the top right corner of the chart, you'll find a drop-down menu with several helpful features. The first feature is Export Data. This option lets you download a CSV file of the chart data directly to your device. This feature also allows you to customize the name of the file prior to saving and exporting. The next feature is Export Image. Similar to Export Data, this option lets you download an image file of the chart data directly to your device. This feature allows you to customize your file name and choose a background color prior to downloading and saving the image. The third feature is Toggle Legend. This feature cycles a chart legend through 3 positions. From the right side, which is the default, to the bottom, or hidden entirely. Once hidden, simply select the toggle one more time to reveal the legend back in its original location on the right. The fourth and final feature is Toggle Tooltip. This feature switches the tooltip between 2 display modes, single point mode and aggregate mode. Single point mode is the default display mode, where tooltips appear only when hovering over a specific data point. Selecting Toggle Tooltip once will switch the mode to aggregate mode. Aggregate mode is the second display mode, where the tooltip always stays visible without the need to hover over a given point. In this mode, the tooltip will also contain data from across all forecasts for the given point in time. When in this mode, selecting the Toggle Tooltip one more time will return the mode back to the default single point selection. Thank you for joining us for this walkthrough of the FloodWise chart widget. We hope this gives you a better understanding of how to interpret and interact with the FloodWise forecast chart data. And as always, stay tuned for future episodes as we take a deeper dive and walk you step by step through everything that FloodWise has to offer.